Hello everyone. I'm so glad you have joined me today. Vicki and I this month are focusing on birthday cards. I know you're going to need some with the new year coming, so grab your supplies and stamp with me. For today's card, I'm using the Cheerful Daisies set. Shop your stash, use what you have. I'm going to use the two small images, that one and the sentiment, wishing you the brightest birthday. I have a scrap of white from the Country Lace DSP. I have a piece of the Petal Pink with the cute little daisies on it. It's 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. I have a piece of the striped Smoky Slate, and this is 1/2 by like 2 3/4. I have a piece of Smoky Slate that's 4 by 5 1/4. I have a piece of white that's my normal card base for an A2 size card, and it's 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. I'm going to use Calypso Coral ink, Petal Pink ink, and Smoky Slate ink. And I'm also going to use a 2 1/2 inch circle punch. Now, if you don't have the circle punch, grab a set of dies that has about that size in it and use it. All right, I'm going to pull in a piece of scrap paper because I am going to do some stamping on here, and I'm going to start with my sentiment, and I'm going to stamp it in Calypso Coral. I wanted something where it's going to show up. So I'm going to take the wishing you the brightest birthday and stamping it in the middle. Oh, I forgot my ribbon. I'll have to look for ribbon. All right, I'm done with Calypso Coral. Now I'm going to take my outline and my Smoky Slate, and I'm going to add some flowers around the edge, just for some interest. All right. Then I'm going to take my Petal Pink, and I'm going to stamp the inside with the Petal Pink. All right, now I've got to come over top and get it lined up. I think that's close. Oh, off a little, but that's okay. There we go. I can see it better this way than up there. I should pull it down. All right, now I need to get my Calypso Coral again to do the center of my flowers. So I'm going to stamp that there and that there. All right, I have that, and now it's time to put the card together. So I'm going to take my card base, fold it and burnish it. And this piece goes on here and then goes on the card. So let's get that on there. Oh, I'm out. Forgot to change that. Good thing I have my glue here. Hopefully it'll... Okay. And a tip, lay your bottle down when you're not using it, and the glue stays near the top so you don't have to wait for it to come down, especially when it starts to be not as much glue in there. All right, I'm going to put my pin back in, and I'm going to put this on here like so, and I'm going to put that way. The other way looked upside down to me. It's supposed to be the same all the way around, but sometimes they look different. This is going to go on here, and I'm going to put it on with dimensionals. So let me find my dimensionals that are hidden under all my papers. All right. Okay. And there's that one. And I need another piece. All right. That one goes there, and one more right in the middle. And I remembered my pokey tool this time. It's been downstairs as I work on craft fair stuff. All right, now. All right. And this goes, oh, it's in the middle. Right about there. All right. This one gets cut, so the ends get flagged, so I'm cutting up, then I cut up, flip it over, and cut the other side up. Come and repeat it on the bottom, or the other side, I should say, not the bottom. All right, so I'm gonna go up that way, and up that way. And then this, I'm going to put on like so. I don't want to hide my flower. I'm going to put 2 on and hope that it's off. And then I need a glue dot for this end, because it is on the paper that's already down. All right. Well, this one needs to be moved over just slightly. Well, I'm not going to be moving it. It came apart on me. So I'm taking it off. I guess I pushed down too hard. All right. And I got dimensional all over me. All right. Now I can put it where I want it. All right. So there's that. Now let me see what ribbon I can find. Okay. I pulled in some of the it's the gold and silver trim, and I pulled in the silver because it needs a little bling. You should always celebrate your birthday with lots of bling. All right, and I want a little bow, so I'm gonna pull it tiny. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna cut this end and that end. And then that goes on with a glue dot. All right, right about there. And there's today's birthday idea. And I use that daisy and stamp the inside and the envelope. Now make sure you head on over to Vicky's to see what she came up with today. Remember, grab your supplies and play along with us. Use your stash. We love showing you ways to do it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a sensational Sunday. Bye.